Welcome to the GKN assembly videos. Today we'll show you the disassembly and assembly of a VL joint. Always watch out for your safety and the safety of others. Maintain the relevant safety regulations and wear appropriate protective clothing. Remove the circlip of the VL joint from the drive shaft. Remove the cap from the VL joint. Pull the VL joint off the drive shaft. Remove the boot. Thoroughly clean the interconnecting shaft. Slide the new boot onto the interconnecting shaft. Fill a third of the supplied quantity of grease into the boot. Pick up the cork ring and glue it to the designated point of the VL joint. Fill the remaining amount of grease into the joint. Put the VL joint onto the interconnecting shaft in the correct installation direction. Install the VL shaft, for example with the help of a plastic or aluminium sleeve, in the stop position on the interconnecting shaft. That ensures a proper fit and avoids damage to the joint. Now place the circlip on the interconnecting shaft and fix the VL joint. Tightly press the cap of the boot onto the VL joint. Move the joint to spread the grease inside and simultaneously check the free movement of the joint. Attach the 6 connection bolts. You have neatly solved the task and the shaft is now ready for use. As you see, a clean solution. We wish you continued success.
GKN Automotive.